Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make AI baby prediction photo with Pippit AI for free. Okay, let's get into it, guys. First of all, you can visit Pippit AI website, pippit.ai, and you're going to sign in to this website with your Google account. Then you will earn free credits. And then go to the home menu, select image, and you're going to upload your photo, maybe with your partner or with someone that you want to predict the baby with. And I'm just going to pick random photos from my computers, and actually these are my bias. This is my favorite idols, and I'm just going to put their face together and see the AI baby prediction photo. And this is the prompt. Actually, for the prompt, you can modify it as you like, but this is mine, and I'm going to send the prompt with the photos to AI. Okay, and just wait a few minutes. Okay, this is the result, guys, and it's so cute. And if you want to download it, you can click on this download menu and select without Pippit watermark. So the watermark will be removed. Or if you're not satisfied with the result, you can always try again right here, and the AI will try to make another photo for you. Okay guys, and that's how you can make the AI baby prediction photo with Pippit AI. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you want to try it yourself, you can click the Pippit AI join link on my YouTube description. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!